is up everyone, welcome to my channel. If your Instagram post is not shown under hashtags, then keep on watching because I have a solution for you. So let's begin. In the beginning of this video, I would like to mention the reasons why your posts are not being shown under hashtags that you posted in this post. And the reason number one is because you're using the same hashtags all over again. That is mean you copy paste the same group of hashtags and it post it under every single post. This is one of the main reasons why your posts are not shown under these hashtags. So Instagram basically think you're being spammy and that's why it banned you and your photos cannot be found under these hashtags. The reason number two, you might be using banned hashtags. Instagram policy is very strict regarding the visual content, so some hashtags are being banned by Instagram, and if you accidentally or even intentionally use these hashtags, that your post might be not shown under these hashtags and of course under other hashtags. Your post is simply being blocked under the explore page within the specific hashtag. Hashtags like for like, follow for follow, love, anorexia and things like that are very dangerous hashtags, even though when typing in this hashtag on your Instagram page you will still find some content under these hashtags. However, Instagram is not really happy when people use this hashtag, so avoid using a bunch of hashtags that are being banned by Instagram policy and is not relevant to your topic at all. So how can you realize that these hashtags that you're using under your post is banned or not? So let me show you how you can find this out. So basically what we need to do is to go to the main Instagram page and type in tags. Let me show you with one example like anorexia. So you see that this post with words or tags you're searching for often encourage behavior that can cause harm or even lead to death. If you're going through something difficult, we would like you to help you. So this is not entirely banned by Instagram, but it warns you already that this might be not inappropriate to use this hashtag. So really, if you're using this type of hashtags that might be banned by Instagram or you're not sure, go ahead on the text page on Instagram and explore if this hashtag is banned or not by Instagram. And of course, erase it from your hashtags group and never use it again. The reason number three is because you're using a way too large hashtags. Under large hashtags, I mean you're using hashtags that have over 1 million posts under this hashtag, and this is not really good, or your post still might be under this hashtag but you will never find, and other people when they use this hashtag to find the content will never find your post because it's simply overcrowded with other images and your post just might be lost under the bunch of other images. So let me show you how you can find how many posts are under specific hashtags that you want to use in your caption or in the comment section. So before you post this hashtag, make sure you check how many images are under this hashtag and make sure you're not using very big hashtags because as I said before, your post might be lost. So let me show you how you can check this out. So you go to your Instagram page and start to type in, and then here you can choose different section, top accounts and places. We go to tags and let's search for hashtag fashion. So you can see that under the hashtags of fashion you can find 675 million posts. And of course, your post, if you use this hashtag, might not bring you any kind of new viewers, new users. Your post will simply be lost under this hashtag. So make sure to not use these huge hashtags with thousands of millions of posts. Thousands is actually good, so don't use hashtags that have over 1 million posts. this won't bring you any traffic, and your hashtag strategy is not really be efficient for your Instagram page. And if you're interested how to grow organically on Instagram with the help of hashtag, check out this video. You can find really a lot of useful information on this topic. So as I said before, try to avoid to use million hashtags and instead focus on the niche hashtags. What I mean by niche hashtags, these are relatively small hashtags that is specifically dedicated to your niche. Let's say you are in the fashion niche and you want to post an image of a special outfit. Let's go and see which kind of hashtag might be useful for this post. As I said, we would like to post a special outfit, business casual outfit, and let's see which kind of hashtag might be good for your Instagram caption. Business casual outfit. So you can see that, for example, under this hashtag you can find only 3,249 posts, and your Instagram account might be, or your image might be found out under this hashtag for sure, and this works 100%. So better use very niche hashtags rather than the million hashtags. So really try to use niche hashtags because the probability that your post will be found under these hashtags is higher than the probability that your post will be found under the 1 million hashtags and not really niched hashtags. What you need to do if your Instagram posts are not being shown under the hashtags and you cannot find it at all, even if you use your personalized hashtags, then what you need to do is the step number 1 is do not use any hashtags in your previous post for 1 or 2 weeks. And the step number 2, go to edit the images which are not shown under the hashtags that you used for this image. Go to edit and erase all the hashtags if you use it in the caption. If you use it in the comments, just delete the comments and clear everything out. As I mentioned in the step number 1, try to not use any hashtags within 1 or 2 weeks, and after this period, if you use everything right, start with a new hashtag strategy. As I mentioned before, check out this video again, how to grow your Instagram account with the help of hashtags, and use the right strategy to grow your Instagram with the very, very powerful hashtag strategy, because it really can bring you a lot of new users and a higher engagement rate. I hope this video was useful for you. Please, if you have any comments or concerns, write in the comments. See you the next time.